Hi, I'm Catherine Keith, Deputy Commissioner, Department of Transportation, and I'm taking a few minutes to talk to you all about our statewide transportation improvement program dashboards. There are a lot of great tools that are interactive and available to the public, which can help provide you with insights on our different projects and programs as detailed in our draft 2024 to 2027 STIP. So the great thing about this is that you get to explore information on your own, and there's a lot of robust options here for how we choose to organize data. And our purpose with these dashboards is to really balance that high-level information with sufficient detail so that we can be very transparent about what we're doing and what the vision is for transportation using these federal funds over the next few years. So what you're looking at here is one example of a dashboard where we break down the percentages by our geography and by strategic investment area. So as you scroll over the different sections of the pie chart, you can see that waterways is receiving 14.7% of our federal funds over the next 4 years, and that our rural areas are receiving 12.6%. When you look at the strategic investment areas, you can see the difference between how we're investing in our state of good repair projects, how we're maintaining the facilities that we do have, that's about 37%, versus safety or economic vitality, which average out about 24%. You can continue looking at information that's available here, and you can see where there are some high interest and high profile projects that the public tends to be interested in, such as our Tustamina replacement vessel or the Rural Community Connections Program. And as you go down the list, you can see how projects are broken out by region. Versus central versus northern or marine highway system. And then you can get a complete listing of the projects, which gives you a slightly different view than the table version does. You can click on a project and it'll open up in the right-hand pane like you see here. And it gives you just another way to see the information, which is a little bit more user-friendly than in a table version. If you're interested in looking at how the projects are distributed equitably across the state, we have them broken out by census areas and boroughs. And then again, a different way of looking at our strategic investment areas. We are adding more dashboards to this left-hand column all the time. So if you're interested in seeing additional information, please reach out and we're happy to add the information here. But ideally, it's really nice to have the option of not just the static PDF page, but have this vibrant and interactive workspace where you can explore on your own and understand the data in your own terms. So look forward to sharing more in upcoming days.